Want to save time in the kitchen and spend less money? Here are top 5 kitchen mega deals you'll actually use every day. Small but powerful. Perfect for onions, garlic, nuts and veggies. No tears, no knife, no mess. Description: material, stainless steel blade plastic shell. Capacity, 100 to 250 milliliters. Features: save time and energy. Sturdy, durable, and simple to clean. With sharp blade. Package included: 100 or 250 milliliters electric garlic chopper. USB cable. Handheld immersion blender. The ergonomic handle provides a firm grip. The stainless steel panel can prevent food from splashing, is durable and easy to clean. One-button start, high work efficiency. It can be operated in any container, including glass containers, boiling pots, etc. No, this food machine is not a professional juicer, so the effect of juicing hard fruits may not be very good. Electric whisk and milk frother. Perfect for coffee, eggs, cream, and sauces. One button, instant result, hot beverage egg. Electric whisk, convenient and fast stirring. Simple operation, press button to start, hands-free. With its own container, the food does not splash, and there is no need to worry about hurting your hands when turning. No heat generation, durable and long life. 32 dB low noise, quiet working. Save your effort and get your mixture ready quickly and easily. The beaters are perfect for whisking egg whites, creaming ingredients, and for light cake mixtures or batters. Use the mixer to mix egg whites, cake mixture, and batter to optimum consistency. This product is a portable electric egg beater. Please charge it before first use. Vegetable cutter and slicer. Slice, dice, and shred in seconds. A real time saver for salads and meal prep. 100% brand new product. Made out of fine materials, hygienic. Includes 1 apple corer and 4 replaceable blades. Kitchen gadget. Multifunctional cutter. 5-in-1 slicer for fruits and vegetable. Interchangeable blades to meet your cutting need. Can core or pit apples. Can make fries or chop potatoes. Replaceable blades. Different cutting blades for the better food processing job. Multifunctional kitchen scissors. Once you try them, a knife feels optional. Scissors fire. Multifunctional design. This kitchen scissors is designed to handle multiple tasks, making it a versatile tool for your cooking needs. Stainless steel material. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel. All product links are in the description. Like, subscribe, and comment which kitchen deal you'd buy first.